Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So recently I received a package from Blue Heaven Cosmetics. So Blue Heaven is a 40-year-old legacy beauty brand that is trusted and affordable, and they've sent me 7 of their products and I decided to do a one brand only get ready with me. So this makeup look is just created by these 7 products. So if you want to know, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I've already primed my face. Now let's get started. So this is the Blue Heaven's Hyper Matte Foundation, which is non-clogging and lightweight, and it also has SPF 25. I'll just take 2 pumps. This foundation has hydrating base, doesn't clog pores, has buildable coverage and gives you a natural matte finish, and the formula is also super lightweight, which is ideal for all skin types. It is highly pigmented, long lasting, waterproof, and also evens out your skin tone. Don't forget your neck. So my foundation is done and it literally doesn't need a lot of concealing. Still, I'm going to be concealing a little bit under my eyes and a little bit on my forehead. So this Blue Heaven all-in-one makeup stick is the ultimate multi-utility makeup solution. You can use it as a foundation to get the perfect base, or I am using it as a concealer to blur out my imperfections. The fact that these products are so affordable but works so amazing. A little bit on my forehead. There are many different shades, so you can also use this as a contour stick. As you can see, it's gone. My face looks like a blank canvas right now. Okay, so after concealer, now I'm gonna set everything with this oil control compact powder, which gives you like matte finish, and it also has SPF 25. And so this compact powder mattifies and smoothens your skin. Its advanced 100% oil-free formula keeps your skin fresh and protects it from harmful UV rays while giving you a full coverage. And I'll be using their Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer. Personally, I don't kind of like to do my brows, but this is a very beautiful brow enhancer. I'm gonna just fill it a little bit. Use the pencil in a slant tip to outline brow and define the arch, and comb to create softness. Okay, so the next product is this Intense Kajal plus Liner Duo. You know, on one end you get the Kajal and on the other you get the sketch pen liner. So you can precisely make your eyeliner, and I'm gonna give it a small wing as well. It's not as pigmented that I thought it would be. Okay, let's do a little bit of Kajal as well. Look how beautiful my eyes look. Okay, so the next step is mascara. So it's their extra length mascara. This is how the wand looks like. Okay, so this is with mascara, this is without mascara. Such a huge difference. And I love the fact that it separates my lashes and it gives a very fuller look. Done. Okay, and the last product is the Blue Heaven's Intense Matte Lipstick in the shade Pink Rush, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also be using this as a blush because I don't have a blush. So I'm just gonna dab like few dots on my cheeks. I'm just gonna blend it with a beauty blender. Look at that, how beautiful that looks. Okay, so I'm gonna take the same shade for my lips as well. That concludes my makeup tutorial from just one brand, and I feel like you don't have to spend a lot of money to get the amazing products, because Blue Heaven Cosmetics have products which are super amazingly pigmented, yet they don't burn a hole in your pocket because they are extremely affordable. Works amazing. I absolutely love how the foundation has worked. It's one of my favorite products from the entire range, and I will list a direct link in my description for these products, so don't forget to check it out. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.